How to withdraw money from Cryptoguru. So here's what we want to do. Load up the Cryptoguru application here. You will be able to see your balance. And I just want to bring your attention to the settings icon here in the top left. So click on the gear icon in the top left. Then we will go into the frequently asked questions, this one. And here you will see a question, how to withdraw money. Once we select it, this is going to tell us, okay, an ad, wait. Okay, so after we waited for this ad, it's going to tell us that in the world of virtual trading, wins and losses stay in the game. All funds you earn or lose in the simulator are part of your learning experience. So basically all of these funds here are actual virtual funds, which you cannot unfortunately withdraw. So this is just a simulator which you gotta use to see if you can earn money potentially, of course, but you cannot withdraw any of this balance or cash out in this case. So hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.